guys, I wanted to show you this first aid product that was sent to me by the company. This is something I haven't put in my first aid kit until now, and I'm really glad that I have it, as well as for traveling. So basically, I have 3 kids. I want to be prepared just in case an accident happens, and I want to know what to do. If you or your children cut themselves or start bleeding for any reason, you can pour these they're like, it's like a powder in here onto the cut, and it prevents it from bleeding more. So I think this is like a great thing to have. Again, like we hike, we go camping, just we have, lots of activities in our house and sports. So I think this is just a good thing to have on hand. And I didn't know of that until recently, and I'm really glad that I do have it now. This pack comes with 3, so I feel like this is like definitely a good supply to have on hand. And you could read more about it, like how to work. But basically, like if you do get a cut, you could clean it off and then pour it on there and then bandage it, and then it's going to help prevent like more bleeding. So really happy with this, and I definitely recommend it if you're looking at like stocking up a first aid kit or you're going on a trip or something and you want to be prepared.